Hi, my name is Sirju and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to be giving you really good self-tape advice on how to make the best quality self-tapes for your auditions. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do to make sure you're having a good quality self-tape is that you want to first follow the specific directions that the casting director is giving you. So this shows that you're able to take directions from the casting director, and also shows him that even if you get hired for the acting job, that you're able to take directions and execute them as clear as possible. So that could be if they want you to have your camera angled a certain way, the frame to be a certain way, or even if they want you to do a slate, a full body shot slate, they want you to profile. That's very important that you want to take care of. So the next thing that you want to have in your self-tape is that you want to have a plain background, preferably. Now, the reason why you want to have a plain background, because you want to make sure that the casting director is paying attention to only you when you're doing the audition and not the background. When you tend to have like a distracting background, I'll give an example, like a baseball background or like a whole bunch of basketballs on the wall or like painted on the wall. What that will do is that tends to distract the casting director from your specific audition. So you want to make sure that the casting directors are focused specifically on you, and that nothing else does that better than just a regular plain background. So the next tip I'm going to give you is going to be regarding filming. So when you film, you want to make sure that your camera is in a horizontal position as opposed to a vertical position. Now, the reason why, because when you film it in a horizontal position, it allows you to catch more of the audition, more of the shot. When you film in a vertical position, this like slenders or cuts off a certain part of your audition. So it just doesn't look as professional in another way. Also, when you are filming or recording your audition, you don't want to look directly into the camera. What you want to do is that you want to look beside the camera, like right here. Now, the reason why you want to do that, because one, it gives an awkward feeling to the casting directors that you're talking to them specifically. The casting directors want to see you talking to somebody else. So this gives you the specific illusion that you're talking to somebody else within the scene when you look right over here. So you could look beside the camera or you could look to the right of the camera, but you don't want to look directly into the camera. Also, casting directors and a lot of the EcoCast or a lot of the casting emails or auditions that they send you, they tend to want you to film in a horizontal position anyway, just to solidify that filming in a horizontal position is preferably favorable to a lot of casting directors. So the next tip I'm going to be giving is regarding equipment. So the equipment that you want to have is a smartphone or a recording device that allows you to record your auditions very clearly. You also want to have a ring light because that allows more lighting and that brings a lot of liveliness to your audition, and a tripod which will hold up your recording device or your smartphone. So I'm going to be showing you the equipment that I use right now. So everyone, here's the tripod that I use for my auditions. And also here is the ring light that I use as well. And this is the whiteboard that I record on for my auditions. So the next tip I'm going to be giving is regarding editing. So regarding editing, the editing software that I use specifically for my auditions is iMovie. Since I have Apple devices, I tend to say iMovie is very simple and very easy to use. In another video that I'm going to make, I'm going to be breaking down how exactly to use iMovie to help edit your auditions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with an acting friend who needs it.